If you want to grow your carpet cleaning business, then stick around and watch the rest of today's video. I'm Ruben with the new BookCleaningJobs.com, and we help carpet cleaners book more jobs. This week, we've got a lot to talk about, starting with our new company name. We've rebranded from SearchParty Marketing to BookCleaningJobs.com. So from here on out, you're going to hear me talk about BookCleaningJobs.com. And since we really only work with carpet cleaners anyways, I feel like this makes a lot more sense. And as a free gift just for being here, watching my videos, and hopefully subscribing to my channel, I want to give you a copy of the marketing cheat sheet for carpet cleaners. Inside, you're going to find a complete plan to grow your carpet cleaning business online and book more jobs. I'm going to give you instant access to it. All you have to do is go to bookcleaningjobs.com/cheat sheet. Again, that's bookcleaningjobs.com/cheat sheet to get a copy of the carpet cleaning marketing cheat sheet to help you grow your business. And while we're talking about growing your business, last month and in a recent video, we talked about Google's algorithm update, right? So Google released an algorithm update in May, and some carpet cleaners said their website traffic went up. Some said they went down. Most of my clients said they didn't notice a change at all. But I'm curious, how are things going for you? If you track your website's traffic since the Google May update, have you noticed that you're getting more traffic or less traffic? Normally this time of year, I would expect a carpet cleaner to be really, really busy. So let me know how your website's doing since the Google algorithm update in May. And if you're thinking that you need more traffic, you might be thinking that you might try something like Google local service ads or even Google ads or Facebook ads. And that's a good idea. You should definitely be trying to diversify your traffic mix. If you're only relying on SEO for your traffic, if your website gets penalized in a future Google algorithm update, you could lose all your business, right? You might lose all your bookings. So you should be running ads. If you're only relying on SEO, you should probably start running ads. And it goes both ways, right? If you're buying all of your leads, if you're completely relying on ads to run your business and your website doesn't show up on Google organically anywhere, then you're missing out on a lot of organic bookings that would really help you offset the risk if your ad account ever got suspended. So you want to diversify your traffic mix. I always tell clients, if you're doing SEO, you should also be doing paid ads. If you're doing paid ads, you should also be doing SEO. So diversify your traffic mix. And again, I'm curious to know how your website's been doing since the algorithm update. So leave me a comment and let me know if your website traffic's been up or down. And let me know if you need any help diagnosing what the issue is. Now, we were just talking about growing your traffic, right? So if you've been relying on organic traffic and you're thinking of getting into ads, a first step that I always recommend to carpet cleaners is local service ads. And you've probably heard of the Google Guaranteed program. So if you search for carpet cleaning in your area, you might see a carousel of ads that say Google Guarantee at the top, right? If you want to get into that program, you have to apply, and there are certain qualifications. Well, just recently, I helped a client go through these qualifications, so I wanted to share them with you so that if you're thinking of applying for the local service ads program soon, you can go into it with open eyes, knowing what you need to have ready. So here's what was required. First of all, go and check to see if local service ads is even available in your area. Google's got a website for local service ads. If you just search for local service ads, you'll find the website. You can put in your zip code and Google will tell you if the program is available. Google will also give you an estimate of the cost per call that they're going to charge you in that area. So if you were in New York, Google would tell you how much it costs per call in New York City, an estimate, right? An estimate. Once you've determined that you're in an area where local service ads is available, you're going to have to qualify to get into the program. They don't just hand out Google Guaranteed badges to anybody off the street, right? You got to be a legitimate business and you got to prove to Google that you're worthy. So here's what Google asks for. Google is going to ask you for $250,000 in liability insurance. Now, most carpet cleaners I know carry more than $250,000 in liability insurance. So as long as you've got liability insurance for your business, you're probably safe here. $250,000 is the minimum. But the real catch is that your business name has got to be listed on that policy. So really simple example, if you are ABC Holdings LLC, you need to register a DBA or a trade name of ABC Carpet Cleaning. Then you would contact your insurance agent and say, please add ABC Carpet Cleaning to my certificate of insurance and issue me a new certificate. Then you would upload that certificate to Google and you're in business after a couple more steps. The last two steps you're going to need to do are passing a background check. Anybody who is an owner on the business is going to have to pass a background check. You'll have to submit some basic information that Google will verify and make sure it's safe to send customers to you. And then you'll also need to have some Google reviews. Now, if you have an existing Google business profile, you probably already have some Google reviews. Google will automatically find those reviews and you're in business. If you don't have an existing Google business profile, that's okay. Google will give you a link that you could share with some recent customers and ask them to leave you a review. After a couple of them have left you a review, Google will collect those reviews and say you're qualified. So that's what you have to do to get into the Google Guaranteed or Local Service Ads program. Since I just went through it with a client recently, I wanted to share that information with you. And if you have any questions about doing this, if you're having trouble getting it set up, leave me a comment or reach out to me directly and let me know, because I do help carpet cleaners with local service ads. And I also help carpet cleaners with Google ads. Now, if you've run local service ads in the past and you're thinking you want more traffic, you want to book more jobs, and maybe Google ads is right for you, this is the perfect time to get started with Google ads. If you've never run Google ads before, right, this is only for new accounts. If you are wanting to start a brand new Google ads account, reach out to me, go to BookCleaningJobs.com, book a call with me and let me know you're interested in starting a new Google Ads account for your carpet cleaning business. If you qualify, I can get you a $1,000 ad credit. You're going to have to spend $1,000 first in order to get the $1,000 ad credit. But if you're a serious carpet cleaning business who's thinking of starting a Google Ads account, this is a perfect time to reach out and get one started. I'd be happy to be your ad manager. And if you're watching this channel, then you may be thinking of hiring me anyways. So this is just good timing. And listen, I'm going on vacation next week, so I can't take any new clients after I go on vacation. My wife's going to kill me. So I got to put a hard expiration date of July 8th. In order to qualify for this, you're going to have to reach out to me. Go to BookCleaningJobs.com, book a call. Let me know you're interested in a new Google Ads account before July 8th. That's how quickly we're going to have to get this done. So if you're watching this video, go over to BookCleaningJobs.com right now and let me know that you need a Google Ads account set up, and I will try to get you this $1,000 ad credit. This only applies to the next 2 carpet cleaners that reach out and sign up for a new ad account. Thanks for watching the video this week. And if you have any questions at all, please leave them in the comments. Hit subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next carpet cleaning marketing update.